Welcome to 3226 Amberley Lane in the coveted neighborhood of Mantua in Fairfax, Virginia. Welcome to the heart of the home, which we like to call in this home the command center, because you will not believe what all you can do from this kitchen. It is so functional. From this kitchen where I'm standing, not only can you see the family room, otherwise known as the great room, you also have access to your formal dining room. Let's talk about the numerous upgrades in this kitchen. We have 2 sinks, we have 2 ovens, we have a wine cooler, we have a beautiful stainless steel French door refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom. Now, once again, all of the appliances are stainless steel. Soft closed drawers for the cabinets. Follow me over here to one of my favorite things that every home should have, which is the pot filler. Right off the kitchen is your fabulous great room with all of these windows that lead to your flat backyard, which gives you the great view of entertaining, a play set, anything you want to do for your outdoor activities. This dining room has another wall of windows, which also looks over into your, once again, flat backyard. Main level additional features include office with pocket doors, including an Alpha shelving system, stamped concrete patio for entertaining, and your new grill. Welcome to the sprawling primary retreat. You will love what the owners have done with this. I want you to follow me to some of my favorite parts of this room. Okay, I want you to see these dual closets. These are not your typical dual closets. Both of these have ample storage, because usually with dual closets, one may be a little bit smaller than the other. You will love both of these dual closets. Now, follow me into this phenomenal primary bathroom. They have not missed a thing in here. You have dual sinks, your water closet has a pocket door, you have a soak-in tub with a heated towel rack, the walk-in shower. When the sellers were adding things to this home, this was an addition that you will not normally find in contemporaries in Mantua. They took the time to add an additional bathroom. So upstairs you'll find 4 bedrooms, you'll find the typical 2 full baths, and in this house you're going to find 3 full baths. So this bedroom up here has its own prince or princess suite. Thank you for taking a tour of this lovely maintained and thoughtfully renovated home. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for more information.